Hi, I'm doing a Knitcrate yarn giveaway. You'll get 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet of patterns. If you'd like to join under me, all the information for the links are down below. You can put in the promo code JEWEL20 for 20% off your first month. It's $24.99 per month. You get a box with this type of stuff in it. So in order to participate in this giveaway, go ahead and comment down below something crochet related, maybe something you're working on, maybe a video you'd like to see in the future. And I have a Facebook group and page listed down below that's somewhat new, if you'd like to join, because I was hacked like a year or so ago and I'm still trying to build up that page again. So this is the color, very pretty green. This green is so bright and pretty, I really like it. So this is what you'll get, and it's 55% fine merino wool, 30% alpaca, mulberry silk, 220 yards, and you'll get 2 of these. Just make sure you're a subscriber as well, and you comment down below so I can do a random comment picker and pick somebody. You get these really cute handmade charms, very cute. And then this book comes with a bunch of patterns. So there's this pattern, which is really cute, and there's different types of yarn. So this is the Unwind All Natural. And there's the orange, the Chill Out one. These are all the yarns that they have right now, the membership yarns. These are the patterns here, and some socks, really pretty colorful socks, and the mitts. Some of this is knitting, some of it is crocheting. This one is a knit. I only know how to do the first knitting stitch. I don't know how to do like a purl very well. I've learned it, but I don't know how to do it very well. This is crocheting. Very pretty lace. That's what they look like. And you would get the booklet with these patterns in it, and then these socks for knitting, and then these socks for crocheting. And if you hear tapping, it's my dog walking around. All right, so you'll get this booklet, October booklet, 2 skeins of yarn, cute little charm. Just make sure you subscribe, comment down below. I'll pick a winner, come back in a couple weeks to see if you're the winner. Always check your email to see if you're getting any notifications. Hit your notification bell so you're notified every time there's a video. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe.